Good morning. Today is Wednesday, January 6th. We're going to go over the daily planner. Just a reminder that we have no live meetings today because it is Wednesday and you have a full extended flexible learning day. You will be learning independently today at home. So let's start with if you do have questions today, we're continuing to have office hours from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning. So I'll be there to answer any questions. For language arts today, you're going to click on this video link here. This is the last 3 slides of the video that we did not get to yesterday, so I put it into a lesson form. You'll watch this video lesson, you'll have your response journal ready, you'll pause the video when it tells you to pause, and you'll respond in your journal. So make sure you have your journal updated. I did also go through the journals today and notice that many of you are not putting information in your Google response journals, your Google digital response journals. So make sure that you are going through and you're putting that in your response journal. If you are having trouble or struggling with the response journal, you need to come to office hours to make sure that you clear up that whatever your questions are, and I'm here to help you so that you're able to use that response journal. For math today, you're going to go into Wednesday, January 6th folder, and you'll find an absolute value homework. It's just a video and some note taking along with that. So make sure that you do this assignment in math today. Make sure you're caught up with the last couple days here. 311 and 322 are uploaded and ready to go. Social studies, you should have read and completed assignment 1 and assignment 2. We're going to add assignment 3 today. For chapter 6, it looks like it says chapter 5 there, so I'm going to correct that for you real quick. So chapter 6, and then science today, you're going to be accessing Discovery Ed. So you are going to use DE today, and you're going to complete the organized note-taking sheet. You'll see it in this assignment on Schoology. You will read and fill in specific blanks and sentence starters and submit when you're done. And so just again, please make sure you've completed the assignment from yesterday and today's assignment. So there's 2 of those, and they're in the daily work of your Schoology. So I'm just going to show you real quick here. If you are, let's just show you in math here, making sure that you're going to daily work. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you can see that lesson 321 is Monday, Tuesday is 322. And then today you're going to do that absolute value homework. We're not going to have to click today you will not need to click today at all into your language arts because all of your language arts is not done in Schoology today, but is done in your digital journal. And science, just making sure that you're caught up from this week, your daily work for science this week. In January here is this Tuesday and Wednesday homework. So January 5th and January 6th assignment. And then lastly, in social studies, make sure you're all caught up. In chapter 6, you'll be doing January 4th, January 5th, and January 6th. So make sure you have all these completed and turned into Schoology. Again, if you have any questions, I'll be here for you from 9 to 10 a.m.